Okay, here we see a picture of a transistor called MOSFET, that is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, and it is a three-terminal device. It is a discrete electronics semiconductor device, and as you can see there are various variations or versions of these transistors, and it has three terminals. One is gate, one is drain, and one is source, and which terminal is what can be understood by referring to a data sheet of a particular transistor. And how to refer the data sheet is just see the code on the body of this transistor right over here under the microscope, and type that in a Google, and you will understand what type of this MOSFET is and its PDF version of the datasheet from the manufacturer. Usually the MOSFETs are N channel or P channel, and they can be enhancement type MOSFET, which are normally off transistors, or they can be a depletion types of MOSFETs, which are normally on transistors. So in enhancement type of transistors, you apply a gate voltage and then the current starts increasing. So generally from off state you make the transistor in the on state. On the other hand, for the depletion region of transistor, the transistor is usually on, and by applying a voltage at the gate you turn it off slowly by decreasing the level of the current. So that is all about your transistors, and hope you like this video.